Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to show you this amazing felt craft ornaments, beautiful DIY felt ornaments, an amazing creation of these crafting ideas. So in this video we are going to show you that amazing collection you have to make this holiday season. So this holiday season we gives you and we brings you the amazing artistic crafting ideas. So these are very interesting and unique designs, and for everybody who wants to make something extra, because it's not just fun, it's a more than fun, it's a stress release hormones. It's a very beautiful thing. You have to do it with your hands and feel better and better and relieve your stress and many more benefits like that. So these benefits videos are very interesting and unique for everyone who wants to creating something unique and extra beautiful. So here we go. The idea is you can make felt ornaments craft, felt craft who wants to create something different and unique in this season, in this holiday season. This holiday season brings you the joy festival. New Year and holiday mixture of these things are made beautiful memories in craft. Hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. Very beautiful and amazing ideas. Thank you so much craft channel by getting you can get ideas from this video, and you can create in this festival season, make fantastic and keep creating something different like that. And in this video we are giving you amazing ideas as well. You know that we are trying to bring for our viewers and subscribers the best academic ideas, for best crafting ideas for everyone who wants to create something unique and different. So in this video we are going to show you that amazing crafting ideas, and top of the list is beautiful felt fabric house and felt fabric home, beautiful home, X-Max home. And after that we are giving you the target of ornaments, beautiful X-Max ornaments like cane, sugar cane, and gingerbread, and beautiful ornament, wall hanging decorations, pouches making, and very beautiful ideas. Hope you enjoying these ideas and amazing trial of these collection. And you should make stocking in this very easily. Make two type of fabric, cut shape on a stocking and a stocking make, and sew both of them. After that you can add something beautiful beadwork, thread work, motifs work. After that you can apply on rope, jute rope, and then hang on wall or tree. And you can make tree as well. You can make beautiful tree with sugar cane. You can make pouch, envelope, as we shown in the pictures. So after that we give you ideas of wreath. Wreath designs are most popular, and first of all tree, after that wreath, because it's the most welcoming thing for this upcoming season. Most welcoming things are available. And the trees, I have given you the idea of tree making with the buttons. It was so beautiful, and amazing. So you can create many types of ideas like that. And first of all we try to bring for you the amazing graphic ideas, amazing ornament ideas, beautiful cookies and beautiful trees. And X-Max tree is the power of the crafting, is the beautiful. And you know, it's a very stress-free hormone releaser. So if you can create and make something beautiful, something creative, so your stress hormone will release automatically. And your focus, if you're focused on something, so it will beautiful designs for everyone who wants to create something unique and different. So viewers, I hope you like the designs and ideas, and if you like the video, if you like the designs, I hope you subscribe my channel. And I really want to bring the more and more designs for you, the more and more ideas for everyone who wants to create something unique and different. So viewers, how are you? And we all are wants to imagine that you are doing well, and we are gonna show you that amazing collection and creation. So who wants to do something unique and different? So these designs are very amazing and unique as well, you know that. So felt craft is a cozy craft, and it's a very comfortable crafting ideas, and no sleeve projects are very popular in this, and you can create easily with your children, and children wants to love to do that, and you can make memories, nostalgia with your kings, and it's for long lasting, it's a lifetime memories you make with your kids and grandparents, everyone. You make beautiful things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Till the next time, take care of yourself and your family members. I hope may your home fulfilled with happiness, prosperity. Keep crafting, keep make something unique, keep doing well, very well. So amazing crafting ideas here is. If you want to get more ideas, more designs like this, so don't forget to follow, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hope you're doing very well. Hope we are doing something unique. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Stay blessed. Wishing you a very, very happy festival journey. God bless you all. Take care. We wish you all are happy.